On arrival, you are greeted by a sense of peacefulness and awe at this beautiful property located in McLaren Vale, which is known for some of the best wines in the world on the Fleurieu Peninsula, located on the land of the Kaurna people. This is Field Street Cottages. My name is Jem Lang and welcome to Secret Stays. Field Street Cottages is a classic 60s home that has been fully renovated from top to tail to bring it in to the modern era with lots of beautiful details right throughout and comforts that you can expect at a short stay rental. The cottage really owns its heritage, giving you that sense of nostalgia, while still elevated with its contemporary finishes and details. Field Street Cottages not only has the original house, tucked down the back is a stunning studio, perfect for a couple's getaway. It is modern, yet it still links into that heritage of this property and the original house. There are many beautiful elements to the studio that make it an inviting and relaxing stay. But the real showstopper is the bath. You just want to sit and soak in there all day and forget about the world outside. During your stay, with both the cottage and the studio, the light evolves throughout the day. With the windows and skylights, you will see that light change from morning right through till sunset. The cottage and the studio can be booked together or separately, whether you're looking for a family weekend away or a couple's romantic getaway. If you want to stay in this stunning place yourself, there is a link in the description below. This is Field Street Cottages. My name is Jem Lang, and this has been Secret Stays.